One of the questions I get asked as a designer the most is how and where do I hang a TV? You have some things to consider, even the size of the TV. First of all, you don't want to buy a TV that's too big for a small room. So typically you want to be able to sit 1.5 to 2.5 times the size of your TV away from it. Let me explain that. So if you have a 60-inch television, you want to be able to sit 90 to 150 inches away from the television. The second thing I get asked is how high do I hang it? If you have a room that's massive and you have standing and sitting room, you can hang that television a little bit higher, maybe about 60 inches from the bottom. Or if you're primarily sitting around it, you want to go a little bit lower. Hit that 42-inch mark. And then finally, I like to finish my TVs off by adding a little frame around it to make it look like art, or even placing it on a swivel. All in all, if you don't remember anything else, do not buy a TV that is too large for your room.